So your do now is the activity that we did on Monday, the step 1 of our division plan. So I want you right now to do the same thing we did on Monday. I gave each of you your counters already. So go ahead and fill out your worksheet just like we did on Monday using your counters, but make sure you're making that model.
Okay. This model also shows.
So what are you doing here, Jaden?
Oh, I'm putting 12 and 13. 21.
Into what?
Into 13.
Into what?
Into 3.
3 what?
3 equal groups.
Yes, do that for me. Yeah. What's up?
It's a small desk.
Do the best you can, okay? Do the best you can, okay? Tyrone, if I can have you sit up and work over here so that you and Robert each have enough space, okay? If you want to slide this over here. So Tyrone, you work up here. Robert, you work right here. Good job, Jason. Keep it up. Good job, Anna. Good job, Anna. I'll keep this over here, okay? How many groups? 7. Where are your 7 groups? Groups. Good job, Anna. Did I give you one too many? I gave you one too many. Where are your groups, Jaden? Where are your groups? Groups. It's okay. It's okay. How many total items do you have?
3.
And how many equal groups are you separating them into? So show me your 3 groups. 3 groups, not 3 items. 3 groups. How many do we put in at a time? There's 1 group, there's 2 groups. There you go. Now keep building. Read this to me.
This model also shows 25 separated into 5 equal parts. This
Equal groups.
This model also shows 25 divided by 5. The number
Jane, use all your counters.
the number of total
Items.
items in each group is 5. My multiple sentence. My division sentence, 25 divided by 5 equals 5.
Show me your 5 groups. Show me your groups. Point to them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very, very good. Count for me the 5 items in one group.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Beautiful job, beautiful job. Can you get a book while you're waiting to read? Let's take about 2 more minutes. Very good. Robert, read that to me. Leave this here. This is great.
The model shows 36 separated into 3 equal groups. This model also shows 36 divided by 3. The number of items in each group is 12. My division sentence, 36 divided by 3 equals 12.
Very good. Show me your 3 groups. Very good. Count the items in one group for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
High five. Awesome job. Grab a book to read while you're reading. We're close. Check again. Are your groups equal? Check your groups. Make sure they're equal. It's okay. Wait. It's okay. Count. How many items are in this group, Jason? Okay. How many are in this group? So we have an extra, don't we? So take that extra out. How many do we have in this group? And then how many do we have in this group? 9. So where's that extra one go? There we go. So how many do we actually have in each group? Count again. How many do we have in each group? Check again. Let's use them together. How many equal groups do you need? How many equal groups? Okay. Build one at a time. I'll take this. One at a time. Start here. There. There. Good. Now next one. Great. Next one. Cross it out, Jason, and just write the answer. Keep them separate. Keep them separate. You got it. One more, okay. Good. I just put underneath. That's where your extra one will be in the head direction. Show me your groups. Wait, leave it. Show me where are your groups.
That's one group.
Mm-hmm.
That's two groups.
Mm-hmm.
And that's 3.
How many? Look at me. How many items do you have in one group?
21.
One group.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
So how many total were there?
21.
21, and you put them into?
3 groups.
And how many do you have in each group?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So this model also shows
21.
Mm-hmm. Divided by what?
Divided by 3.
And the number of items in each group is, cross that out. How many did you count? There you go. So what's your division sentence? What do you have up here? Be right there, Tyler. Very good, Jason. What divided by what?
I need it.
Cross it out. It's okay. Let's just cross it out. What number goes there? You got it. Divided by equals. Very good. Very good, Jason. Yes, Tyrone. Okay. All right, Tyrone, what were yours? 5, 6, 7. Here's your 7 groups. Okay. All right, I want everyone to stop where you are. Stop where you are. Tyrone, can you put your counters down for now? Jason, can you share your do now with everyone? Can you read your paper out loud, please?
This model shows 40 separate into 4 groups.
40 items.
40 items
Separated.
Separated to 4 equal groups. This model also shows 40 divided by 4. The number of items in each group is, wait.
You got it, Jason.
10.
Very good.
My division sentence is 40 divided by 4 equals 10.
Awesome job, Jason. What cheer do you want?
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster. All right, everyone buckle in. And everyone go. All right, awesome job. What I'd like you to do, we're moving past the counters today. I want you to push them into the bucket. We're moving on to step 2. Very good job. I want to do a quick review of step 1 before we started today. Quick. Just drop them in. It's okay. Drop them in. And if everyone could pass their sheet protectors to Robert, please.
Okay.
for Robert.
Can I erase it?
Nope, that's okay. I'll erase it later. Thanks, though, Gina.
Okay.
It's Anna and Tyrone. Or Anna and Robert. I'll take your books. Thank you very much for being so
Please
patient.
give the markers.
Pass them to Anna. Pass them to Anna. Pass the markers to Anna, please. Thank you so much. We're going to use them again in a minute. Okay, that was our review of step 1. So on Monday, we started step 1 of becoming division experts, right? And what we did is we took our total items, Jason, separated them into equal groups, and counted how many were in each group. So today what we're going to do is you're not always going to have counters when you have to divide in real life or on a test when you're using those word problems. You're going to have to be able to draw a picture. So today our goal is to move away from the counters and draw a picture to figure out the answer to a division problem. Okay, Tyrone? So if you look up here, sorry. It's okay, it's okay. You know, guys, we'll clean it up later. It's all right. Can you leave them there, guys? Thank you so much. These are our goals for today. Our first goal, students will be able to represent, that means you're going to draw, division problems by drawing a model. That's our first goal. Can you draw a picture to show me a division problem? Okay? We'll see. Second goal, you will be able to solve a division problem by drawing the model and counting the items in each group. That's the second goal. So first, can you draw it? Second, can you solve it? And third, I want you to be able to explain to me, using your words, your model and your answer by describing your answer as the number of items in each group, which we already started on Monday, so you should be good to go with that. So we're going to draw a picture. We're going to solve the problem, Robert, and then you're going to explain to me, Jason, how you got your answer and why your answer is right. Let me show you one. Then I have more sheet protectors for us to use today to practice, and then you're going to do a worksheet on your own. Our big goal is for you to be able to solve those big division word problems, Jason, and to be able to draw these pictures on your own, okay? All right, so let me show you what this looks like. So if you were to get a division problem on your paper, 12 divided by 3. And we want to know the answer to 12 divided by 3. And you don't know your math facts exactly yet. We don't know all our division facts yet. We want to make sure we know our answer, so we're going to draw a picture. So when I see 12, based on what we learned on Monday, I know that 12 stands for the total number of items, just like all those counters I gave you, the total number. So I'm going to write that here, 12. When I see divided by 3, I know what that's asking me to do is I need to take 12 items and divide it into 3 equal groups, just like we did on Monday. So 12 divided by 3 equal groups, and then for my answer, it's going to be the number of items in each group. So this is how we're going to solve it. I know that I need to divide it into 3 equal groups. So I'm going to draw 3 groups. When we put our counters into groups on Monday, I told you to put them in one at a time so that we could stay nice and organized, Tyrone, and keep the same number in each group, because equal groups have what, Anna? The same what?
Same amount?
Same amount, same number of items. So that I'm going to do the same thing when I'm drawing my picture. I'm going to draw one at a time and count until I get to 12. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I went one at a time, and what helps me is I go the same way every single time so I don't get confused. Same pattern every single time. So I know 12 items divide into 3 equal groups, and I say, how many do I have in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items in each group. Let's go down here. This is how I'm going to have you explain your answers to me, okay? Just like we did on Monday where you filled in the numbers, you're going to do the same thing today with these sentences, okay? This model shows 12 items, Tyrone, separated into 3 equal groups. And equal groups have what, Robert?
The same number.
The same number of items. Very good. There are 4 items in each group, and I can show you, Tyrone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are equal. The answer to 12 divided by 3 is 4 because I counted 4 X's in each group. Okay? So your goal today, I want you to draw a picture just like I did so that you can solve your problem and explain it to me in words. Let's try some together. Okay? Your paper looks exactly like mine on the board. Okay? You are just going to be drawing for me today. And using markers. So I'll pass these back out. Okay, first problem. Oh, here we go. Your first problem is 16 divided by 4, and I'm going to write that on the board. 16 divided by 4. And let's do this one together. Hold on, Jason. Jason, can you fill that in up here, please? 16 divided by 4. We're going to do this together. Hold on one second. I know, you're jumping ahead of me. It's okay. What number is going to go in the total items? How many total items do we have, Jaden? How many total items? 16. Make sure this says 16.
Oh, this is 12.
Very good. So in the total items box, 16. Tyrone, how many equal groups are we separating our items into? 4. So write 4 in your equal groups box. Write 4 in your equal groups box. Hold on, Robert. Stay with us. Jason. 4 here. How many circles are we going to draw? How many circles are we going to draw in this part of our page?
How many circles are we going to draw on the...
For our model.
How many groups are we going to draw?
Tracking, Jason.
Are 4.
Why?
Because equal groups means 4 groups.
4 groups, because we're dividing how many, Jason? How many total?
How many total in each group?
How many total do we have?
16.
And we're separating them into
4 equal groups.
4 groups. Everyone draw 4 circles on your page. Stay with us, boys. Now, when we are filling in our circles, Tyrone, am I just drawing as many X's as I want?
No.
What am I going to do?
You have to count.
How many at a time?
One at a time.
Until we get to what number?
16.
To 16. I would like you to try that on your own. 1 at a time in each group until you get to, how many, Robert?
16.
16. Good, Jaden. God bless you.
On the answer.
Write that here. And then tap your marker. Just cross it out. In 5, 4, 3. It's okay, Jason. You don't have to fill out the bottom. 2, 1. I want Anna to share really quickly. She got stuck while she was drawing her X's, and she fixed it. Can you explain to everyone how you fixed it, Anna?
Because I counted them again because I thought I had 16, but one of them was missing, so I counted again.
How'd you know that one was missing?
Because they're
What was wrong with your groups? They weren't what?
equal.
They weren't equal. Anna said, wait a minute, Jason. My groups are not equal. So you went back and did what?
Fixed it.
How'd you fix it?
Because I counted again, and then I got 15, and then I added one more.
Very good, Anna. Very good job. I want you to take the time now and fill out the bottom of your sheet. Fill out the bottom of your sheet. You can use mine as an example.
Oh, yes. Can I get it?
You can cross it out for right now and write the right answer underneath. Thank you. Good job. Not yet. Can you grab the tissue box for me? Thank you. Don't erase it. Don't erase it. Don't erase it. All right, I want Robert to share out. We all did a fantastic job with this. Robert, can you read the bottom of your paper to us? And everyone's tracking Robert because he's our teacher right now. Jason?
16 separated into 4 equal groups. There are 4 items in each group. The answer to 16 divided by 4 is 4 because I counted 4 X's in each group.
High five, Robert. What cheer do you want?
Elvis?
Elvis? All right, pop your collar.
Wait.
Tell me if I do this wrong. I might do it wrong. Pop your collar.
Yes.
Lift your lip, right?
Yeah.
Or-
Yeah.
Lift your lip. I can't lift my lip. Grab your guitar. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, collar's back down. Good job, Robert. Very good job. Okay, I'm going to come around. I'm going to spray your paper, and you're going to take your tissue and wipe it off. We're going to do another one together. Awesome job. I'll give you an extra spray if you need it. You got it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3/4, 1/2, 1/4, 0. Very good job. I want you to write the next one on your paper. You can go ahead and do this one on your own, and I'm going to come around and check in with each of you, okay?
Right.
This one, we're going to do 22 divided by 2. Write that in the top right here on yours. 22 divided by 2. Take your time. Keep your X's small for this one. It's okay, Jaden. You got it. Good catch. I love how Anna's checking her work. Okay, Jaden. How many total X's are there?
22.
How many equal groups did you separate them into?
2.
How many do you have in each group? Go ahead, count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So how many?
11.
Very good. There's 11 in
Each group.
group. How many are in this group?
11.
How many are in this group?
11.
So how many are in each group?
11.
You got it. Fill this in. Awesome. Oh, awesome. How many total items do you have? Answer my question. Jason, how many total items? How many total items? 22. How many groups? 2. How many in each group? 11. Switch your paper with Anna. Check each other. Check Roberts.
Here.
Go ahead. It's all right. Fill it in. Go ahead, Tyrone. You're doing great. Keep it up.
So we have to check.
Yeah, go ahead. Great. You see his answer right here. Filled in for him. Okay. Oh. What did you do wrong here?
22 or that's a 1? Is that a
What'd you do?
1 or 2?
2. It's 22. It's just
That's
that
correct.
it dries now.
Oh, that's correct. That's 1.
Oh, so how many did you put in each group?
Okay.
And what should you have put in each group? It's all right. Good fix, Tyrone. All right, I'm going to come around and spray your board. It's all right, Tyrone. We're going to do one more as a group, and then you're going to get your worksheet. You're going to give it a try.
What? It's all black.
Tyrone, can you share with the, would you mind sharing with the group what you did? Tyrone made an error, but I really want everyone to hear it because he just realized how to fix it. So can everyone listen to Tyrone's error? What'd you do, Tyrone?
I had messed up on the circle one.
On your model, right?
Yeah, on my model, I had put 22.
Hold on, everyone stop erasing and listen to Tyrone right now.
I had put 22 in each circle, and that's how I got my error.
Can you tell them how you were counting that caused you to put 22 in each circle?
I did like 1, 1, 2, 2. I put like the same. I counted both of them as 1.
Instead of going,
1, 2, 3, 4.
good job, Tyrone. Good catch. There you go. That's okay, Tyrone. Thank you so much for sharing that. Last one. Last one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3/4, 1/2, 1/4, 0. Jaden, it's okay. I'll clean them up later. Thank you, though. Your last problem. 27 divided by 3. That's interesting, Robert. I like that idea. That's That's okay. No, I like that.
Put it straight.
You want to put it straight? One at a time, Robert. One at a time. Why are you erasing? Here. Count your total X's for me. Okay, count here. Now count all your X's for me. How many total items should you have?
27.
27. So what do you want to do?
It's 8.
You think it's 8? Why don't you try it again? Why don't you try it again? Okay? Instead of guessing, why don't we try it again? That's okay. Mm-hmm. Let's try it again. Yes, sir. Good job, Jason. Keep it up. Good. Try it again, Jason. You can do it. I'm going to sit right here. Wait, this way. Oh.
This model shows 27 total
Items.
items. Separated into 3 equal groups. There are 9 total.
There are 9 items.
9 items in each group. The answer is 27 divided by 3 is 9 because I counted 9 X's in each group.
Awesome job. Erase your board. Awesome job. Read that to me. Actually, I want you two to read your boards to each other. Jason first, and then Robert. Robert, come on over, Jason. Robert, come on over, Jason. Is it easier for Jason to come to you? Okay. Jason, come on in. Read your board to Robert. Robert, read yours to parentheses. There you go. Hold on.
Separate into 3 equal groups. There are 9 items in each group. The answer to 27 divided by 3 is 9 because I counted 9 X's in each group.
27 divided by 3 equals 9. The total items is 27. Equal groups are 3. Items in each group are 9. The model shows 27 items separated into 3 equal groups. There are 9 items in each group. The answer to 27 divided by 3 is 9 because I counted 9 times.
9 X's.
9 X's in each group.
Did your answers match?
Yes.
Awesome job. Show me your board. Awesome, awesome work. I already got Tyrone and Anna started, but I'm going to give you your independent practice. You're doing the same thing, only you're showing me on paper. Do you have a cut on your hand? So once you erase your board, I'll give you your independent practice. I'll erase it, Jaden, okay? Jane, can you collect the tissues from everyone and throw them out for me, please? It's all right if it's not perfect, Jason. Thank you so much. There you go. There you go, Tyrone. You know that we use pencil in math class. We're going to work on this for 12 minutes. We'll go over a couple of them and then I'll give you your exit ticket. Go ahead, get started. Awesome work. Awesome work. You skipped the milk. 20.
You guys do this for homework? Yes.
Count all your X's for me. Skip it. Go to the next one and I'll come back to you, okay? It's we erase our x's and try it again? Okay, there's way too many.
That was easy. There you go. High five. Good work. All right, Jason, let's see. What happened?
I just got confused.
Okay. So what's something we could do if we get confused?
Back to it.
Go back to it? Okay. What? I'm writing it. Let's go back to it. What could we do since we got confused the first time? There you go. That's okay. It's okay to do it again. Let's erase it nicely so that we don't get confused. There we go. Now let's give it a try. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Awesome job. That's okay. When we draw X's, how many do we draw in a circle at a time? Why?
Because if we draw more than one, it's going to be
Are they going to be equal, Jaden, if you draw more than one at a time?
No.
So when we draw one at a time, it keeps them what?
One.
Keeps them, look at me. If we draw one in each group at a time, it keeps all of the groups what?
Equal.
Equal. Erase that. Let's try it again. Good job, Tyrone. Keep it up. That's okay. That's okay. That one's a little bit better. good, Jaden. What number did you just stop at in your head? What did you just count?
24.
Do we stop?
Nope.
Why?
It's supposed to have 8 in them.
Why?
I have
What does the 8 stand
circles.
for?
Stands for how many groups?
Very good. So what does the 24 stand for?
The 24 stands for the total
Items.
items.
How do we figure out the total items?
Count it all up.
Count it all up. So when you counted, what number did you stop at?
4.
Count again. 24. Does that match?
Nope. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
So did you count all your total items? Okay. So should we stop counting?
Yes.
Yes. How many? What's our answer then?
3.
Why? No, you're right. You're absolutely right. I absolutely agree with you. Why is 3 your answer?
Because I put 3.
Because there are 3 what? Draw circles, please.
3 in each group.
You got it. You absolutely got it. There you go. I love how you're checking your work, Tyrone. That's fantastic. About 1 more minute. It's okay if you don't finish. It's totally okay if you don't finish. Here, Anna, when you count, I want you to slow down because you're skipping X's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. How many do you have in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are they equal? So what should we do? Keep working hard. Good job, Anna.
You can use this. I just got 2 pencils.
10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down, please. Give yourselves a pat on the back. I am impressed. You were working so hard. Pencils down. Let's go over a couple of these. Then I want to give you your exit ticket. Let's look at number 1. You're going to teach me. Tell me what to do. Jaden, help me with the first one. What's the problem? What's our division problem?
The division problem is 18 divided by 2, so
What does the 18 stand for, Jaden?
the 18 stands
We have 18 what?
for total
What's that word? Help her out. What word?
items.
Items, yes. And those are our
X's.
X's. Very, very good. So if I have 18 total items, what does the 2 stand for?
The 2 stands for equal groups.
Very good. So what do I do? Teach me. Talk to me. Use your words.
You have
What do I have to do?
to draw 2 circles.
Why?
Because it says equal groups. So,
So I need 2 what?
2 circles. 2
You're right.
2 circles.
Or equal.
Equal groups.
Go like this if you agree with Jaden. Very good. Anna, what do I do next? I got my 2 equal groups, but they're empty. What do I do?
You put X in each group.
Oh, kind of like this? Oh, this looks nice.
No.
Why not? Why not? That's faster. Why don't I just start drawing X's?
Because
The groups won't be what?
equal.
Equal. They won't be equal. So tell me what I need to do.
You gotta put
We're tracking Anna. She's teaching us. Tyrone.
18 in them.
Oh, 18 in this circle?
No.
How many? How did you do it, Anna?
3 each.
Oh, did you 3 X's at a time?
No.
How many at a time?
1.
Until I get to what number?
18.
Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop!
Why?
Because
You passed 18.
Oh, 18 what?
18 X's.
Oh, whoops.
No.
I drew too many. What should I do to check my answer?
Count over.
What do you mean count over?
Count all your X's.
All right, let's count them and see if they're how many?
18.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Do I have the right number of total items? Yes. Now what else do I need to check? I need to check one more thing. What is that, Jason?
You gotta count 1 in each group
I gotta count each group. Why?
because
I have to make sure they're what?
make sure that how I did it was
Wait, Jason, can you answer my question? Why do I need to count how many are in each group? What do I have to make sure of?
if it's equal.
If it's equal, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm just gonna give myself a little note.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are my groups equal?
no.
Yes.
Yes.
How do we know they're equal?
Because they
Robert.
you know they're equal because they the
Sit up.
same. They're the same in each group.
Very, very good, Robert.
And
Very
not- they're
good.
not equally.
Tap your head if you had 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Awesome job. Awesome job. Let's go over 2 more. What is 30 divided by 3? Tyrone.
10.
Go like this if you agree with Tyrone. We'll check it. We'll check it. Flip the page. Jason, what's 24 divided by 8?
3.
Go like this if you agree with Jason. And then we'll do one more. What is 32 divided by 4, Robert?
8.
Go like this if you did that one and you agree with Robert. Awesome job. Awesome job. Jaden, say it's A-okay.
It's A-okay.
It's all right. We'll practice. Let's do our exit ticket. Please close your packet. You will take it home. I'm going to take this for right now, though. I'm going to take this for right now, though.
Have it for tomorrow.
I'll let you take it home, absolutely. Looks exactly the same. Exactly the same.
For real?
Yeah.
It's the same numbers but different. But you gave us different.
Same paper, different numbers. Go. Slow Italian now. Did you check it? You didn't check it? Do you want to check it? Check. Did you check it? Yes. No, you didn't check it. I did. Check it again. Check it again. Check it again. Jaden, deep breath. It's all right. Erase it. Just start again. It's all right. How many do you have here?
6,
How many do you have here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
You got it.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
You only need about 30 more seconds.
The date.
Look at your last answer and tell me if that makes sense. Look at your answer. Does that make sense? It's okay. Go to this one. Skip that one. You're gonna go to this one.
Oh, I forgot the date.
Got it? Time out. Keep going. Okay. Count out loud for me. Eleven, 12. Slow down. You got it. Mm-hmm. Good catch. Good catch. Okay. Okay. We ran out of time, but I'll just grade you on this one, okay? And we'll do this one together later. Hold on. Hold on, soldier. What do I need? All right, can everyone put their books away? Quickly want to wrap up and then we're going to go to math class.
Okay.
Books away, please. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Tyrone. Thanks for joining us. All right, let's see if we accomplished our goals. Let's look up here. Are we able to represent division problems by drawing a model?
Yes.
Give yourself a thumbs up and a pat on the back. Are we able to solve division problems by drawing a model and counting the amount in one group?
Yes.
Give yourself a thumbs up and a pat on the back. Were you able to explain to me your model and your answer by describing your answer as the number of items in each group?
Yes.
Give yourself a double thumbs up. All right, what cheer do you all want to do? Who didn't get to pick? Jason, you didn't get to pick one yet today. What cheer do you want to? You did?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Jaden.
I would like a Elvis.
Again? I can't curl my lip. All right, pop your collar.
Wait. I can't do it because mine is button already.
That's all right. I don't have one either. We're pretending. Curl your lip. I can't do it.